Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to download and install VMware Workstation on Windows 10. Before we begin, make sure your system meets the necessary requirements. VMware is a powerful virtualization software that lets you run multiple operating systems on a single computer. The first thing we need to do is download VMware Workstation Player. As you may have heard, VMware was recently acquired by Broadcom, and they've updated their download page. Now, you'll need to create an account to get the installer from the official site. However, I've included 3 alternative download links in the video description: Softpedia, Softonic, and the Web Archive. For this tutorial, I'll be using Softpedia, but you're free to choose any of the other sources. Click on the free download option, then go to the Downloads page to select VMware Workstation Player for Windows. Click on Download Now, and the download will start. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection. Once the download finishes, open the file. Now, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Click Next. Accept the terms and license agreement and click Next again. The default installation folder will appear, but you can change it if needed. For now, click Next. There's an optional feature here, but I'll leave it unchecked for this tutorial. Continue by clicking Next and then hit the Install button. The installation will start and might take a few minutes depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation is done, click Finish. Now, if you check your desktop, you should see the VMware Workstation Player icon. Click it to open. If you have a license key, enter it here. Otherwise, select the option to use VMware Workstation 17 Player for free, for non-commercial use. We'll choose that option and click Continue. The setup is now complete, so click Finish. This is the main VMware Workstation Player interface. If you want to create a new virtual machine, click Create a New Virtual Machine. You'll need an ISO file for the operating system you want to install. And that's it! We've successfully installed VMware Workstation Player on a Windows 10 PC. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!